Solid Edge is much more than just a design tool. Solid Edge is an ever-growing portfolio of affordable, easy-to-use tools that address all aspects of the product development process. Key areas of the Solid Edge solution set include 3D design, simulation, manufacturing, data management, and apps. The ideal platform for customers to start their digitalization journey. Solid Edge allows designers to intuitively create all aspects of their digital models, starting with conceptualizing and designing individual parts, using those parts to build assemblies, to outputting manufacturing instructions to physically create the design. These capabilities are supported by best-in-class design processes, allowing users to design faster, design better, and design with more confidence. Solid Edge with synchronous technology. But what does that mean? To get a better understanding, let's take a brief look back in the history of CAD. 3D CAD started to become popular in the mid-1990s. Designers used collections of features such as extrusions, lofts, sweeps, revolutions, cuts, and holes to build digital models. Each new feature had to be built on top of the one created before it, utilizing the outcome of the previous in order to create the next. This process has been coined history-based modeling, or ordered modeling as referred to in Solid Edge. Solid Edge has supported ordered modeling methods for over 20 years with both its strengths and inherent challenges. In history-based modeling, the structure and order of features control how models will react to changes or edits. This is valuable because it creates predictable results from edits on underlying sketches using precise dimension changes. Because of this feature control, automating changes and linking features together is quite easy. However, this method of editing also has inherent challenges. For example, if a change needs to be made to a feature created early in the design, the edit must take place on the model at the state that it was in when that feature was created. Once the edit is made, all features created after that point have to be recomputed based on the new inputs, oftentimes breaking downstream features. This forces designers to carefully plan out how they build the model, otherwise the simplest edit could turn into a lot of time in remodeling. And if a part contains large amounts of features, recomputes become quite taxing on computer performance, taking minutes to hours to recalculate the final result. While Solid Edge provides a choice to its users on how they wish to model, most other big names in the CAD industry only offer the history-based method. As there's no way around these inherent design challenges with history-based modelers, what other options are available? Next up, direct modeling. Direct modelers use the complete opposite approach to design, maintaining no history of how a feature or a model is built, allowing for edits directly on the geometry on screen. Like history-based modeling, this contains its own values and challenges. Direct modeling allows fast and flexible edits because there are no sketches driving features that make up the part. Editing is done by simply selecting what you want to change and changing it. With no rebuild of features after the changes, there are no performance issues on edits with direct modelers. However, since there aren't any features or history on how a part is made, creating precision edits or automations using parametric inputs such as dimensions is impossible. This creates a big issue for designers needing precision for their digital models. Some examples of CAD systems using the direct modeling paradigm are listed here. Seeing the challenges associated with each type of modeling, Siemens worked to find an answer that leverages the strengths of each modeling paradigm while negating the weaknesses. This unique solution is known as synchronous technology. Synchronous technology can only be found in Solid Edge in the mainstream CAD market. Synchronizing the strengths of both history-based and direct modeling paradigms and adding in its own innovative and powerful capabilities, users finally have a powerful solution. No other single CAD program can do what Solid Edge can do with synchronous technology. Most customers say that their biggest challenge is getting designs done faster. Solid Edge's unique synchronous technology enables customers to be more productive and efficient than ever before. Built-in design tools intuitively help to get initial designs done right the first time. And if any changes need to be made, Solid Edge's synchronous technology allows users to change the model based on what they see on screen, without time-consuming failures due to feature recomputes. As mentioned earlier, history-based is the most prevalent and well-known modeling method on the market today. With this, it has become commonplace to spend a lot of time and care constructing and constraining complex sketches in order to preserve the intent of a particular design, not only for solid edge ordered users, but designers using any other history-based CAD system as seen earlier. However, solid edge synchronous technology allows designers to freely make changes to design intent using the 3D model faces themselves, allowing for intuitive changes to designs. This design intent can be changed using 3D dimensions, face relationships, and constraints. The true power of synchronous, however, is that a majority of the design intent of a 3D model is inherently recognized and maintained through the software without any physical actions from the designer. Things like coplanar faces, concentric cylinders, and symmetry are all automatically detected during an edit and can be automatically maintained with no user interaction thanks to the synchronous design intent panel constantly monitoring these conditions. These are reasons why using synchronous technology makes designing faster and better. Solid edge provided in different product packages depending on a customer's needs. The most common package is Classic and includes most of the basic design capabilities needed in industry. If customers need anything in a more specialized area of design, such as electrical routing, pipes and tubes, or solid edge simulation, an upgrade to Premium is the best option. Simulation for virtual product testing is part of this portfolio. Solid edge simulation is intended to be intuitive and easy to set up, created with the design engineer in mind, so you don't have to be a specialist to use it. Solid edge simulation is a great tool for designers to optimize their designs in a working environment, ensuring that they're not only strong enough, but also not over-engineered and costing more than necessary in manufacturing costs. With studies to test for strength, thermal, vibration, buckling, and even fluid flows, solid edge simulation helps designers to know exactly how their parts and assemblies will work well before they're created. And also rest easy knowing that the results are true, as the underlying engine uses Siemens' own software such as FEMAP and Nastran, industry-leading simulation technology. Two of the main manufacturing processes prevalent today are additive and subtractive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing describes creating parts by building material on top of itself, as seen with 3D printing. Solid Edge provides users the ability to not only directly connect to a printer and fully control their print output, but also to automatically receive quotes on costing of design parts from popular 3D print businesses, where they'll print and ship them straight to your door. And next, subtractive. Subtractive manufacturing is the concept of removing material from a larger chunk, carving out your final designs with CNC turning or milling operations. Solid Edge has scalable computer-aided machining solutions, or CAM for short, designed to do just that. From direct interaction with the model for associative toolpath assignment, G-code simulations to show the full finished manufacturing process, to 2.5-axis and up machining process support, Solid Edge CAM Solutions supports digital instructions for manufacturing parts, no matter the complexity. Data management is another area of the portfolio that continues to grow with advances in technology and the demands of industry. To answer these demands, Solid Edge provides scalable data management solutions to meet the specific needs of different manufacturers. First, our entry-level solution, built-in data management. Built-in is delivered free with every seat of Solid Edge and requires no IT overhead, as it leverages Windows indexing and file control functionality. It is primarily intended for VSB or very small businesses, but is also a great starting point for any company, offering key data management functionality such as check-in, check-out, file locking, search and where used tools, unique document naming enforcement, and cloud-based collaboration. The mid-level solution is intended for SMBs or small to medium businesses that generally need more complex processes for data management. This includes defining user roles, automated development and release processes, and management of non-CAD data. Depending on a customer's needs, Mid-level data management can be accommodated for in multiple ways, primarily with Teamcenter Rapid Start, but with new unique capabilities being added as new technologies and challenges arise. Teamcenter Rapid Start is a pre-configured delivery of our high-end data management solution, Siemens PLM Software's Teamcenter, the most comprehensive product lifecycle management solution available today. Teamcenter provides users fully customized control over how they wish to work with and store their data. With direct access to your parts and assembly files from within the Solid Edge application and the automatic completion of many tedious data management processes, accessing and working with your technical data is faster and more intuitive than ever before. Solid Edge apps. To provide additional solutions outside of those in the core portfolio, provide everything you need for a fully customized solution, from PCB and wire harness schematic creation to dynamic simulation and technical publishing capabilities. So now that you've seen what Solid Edge is, let's take a moment to define the top 5 business reasons to use Solid Edge in industry. The top 5 business reasons to choose Solid Edge. Leveraging Siemens' experience and the portfolio of innovation to provide the most complete product lifecycle management solutions. Solid Edge portfolio for intuitive tools for all of your product creation and manufacturing needs, synchronous technology to help you design better, and the full flexibility and choice of accessibility.